welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfoods.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be making a brine. I'm going to be making a brine which you can use for different meats, pork or chicken. In my case, we're going to do some chicken with it in another video, but thought I'd show you how to do this. Now, if you want, you can just get water, add salt to it, and you're done. Simple as that. What we're going to do today is add some spices and some sugar to it as well. This is a brine that I like to use. So we're going to need a pot because we're going to heat this through. Salt, loads of salt you're going to need. I'll explain as we go along at the cooker. Sugar, which I like in there, obviously gives a beautiful sweetness. And then some spices here. Here I've got some allspice or pimento, some star anise, that's a broken star anise, cloves. Here I've got some cinnamon, and there I've got some celery salt. We're going to give that a mix in there. It's going to make a really, really beautiful, tasty brine. Okay, so we're at the stove. I've got some cold water there. I've got like 2 liters of water there. I mean, you can be adding what you want really. Let's get all our spices in. So let's just run through them one more time. So there's celery salt, which I think is fantastic in this. Some cinnamon, a few cloves, allspice, and star anise. Then to that, let me grab a spoon. So this is a teaspoon, but quite a large one. So look, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a bit of those hefty size teaspoons, and then sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a tiny bit as well. So sort of equal parts of the salt and the sugar. So I mean, basically what we're doing is making a salt bath. It's kind of, you know, like I said with you before, if you wanted to do this kind of in a quick, cold way, just cold water and salt, job done, it's done. You can use it just like that. This is going to pump a lot more sort of spices in there. If you wanted, you could be adding some chili or some other cardamoms and things like that in there to, you know, get a flavour you want. This is a mixture that I really enjoy. So I'm just going to let that, I'm not even going to let it come to the boil really. The only reason we're heating it is to kind of get the sugar all melted, and then you need to let it cool down, and then we can get it onto some meat or something like that, in my case chicken. So it's going to be about 6-7 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. That's 5 or 6 minutes, and you've got a really lovely salty water there, but some lovely flavour. Now that celery salt makes a huge difference. I really do find that, so don't skip that one. But we need to let that cool down, and then you've got a brine. That's done. I'm going to use some chicken on that. Check out the next video we're about to do with that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.